Welcome to the city of the future, a place where architecture, technology, and human imagination have reached their ultimate harmony. This is the year 4000 AD, and here, life is defined not by survival, but by elegance, sustainability, and luxury. At street level, wide boulevards stretch across the metropolis, lined with towers of glass and steel that rise like sculpted jewels. Pedestrian walkways are spacious and shaded by adaptive structures, keeping the environment comfortable and serene. Ground vehicles hover silently above polished avenues, moving with precision and grace. Markets bustle with activity, yet everything flows effortlessly. No congestion, no chaos, only balance between people and technology. Above the streets, the sky itself has become a highway. Luxury hoverpods drift smoothly between towers, their transparent shells offering panoramic views of the city. Streamlined cruisers glide in organized aerial lanes, while autonomous cargo carriers move silently, delivering goods across districts. For those who seek prestige, aerial yachts float gracefully above the skyline, symbols of refinement and status. Every vehicle is powered by clean, sustainable energy, designed to blend seamlessly into the rhythm of the city. The architecture is breathtaking. Towers shimmer with reflections of daylight, their facades crafted from glass, steel, and polished stone. Rooftop docking bays welcome fleets of vehicles, while mid-level skyports connect directly to homes and offices. Inside, penthouses and lounges are adorned with marble floors, golden accents, and panoramic glass walls. These buildings are intelligent, adjusting lighting, temperature, and atmosphere to suit the comfort of their residents. Life here is defined by luxury and ease. Residents enjoy panoramic lounges with views stretching across the skyline. Markets offer advanced fashion, technology, and cuisine, all presented in elegant plazas. Social life thrives in central squares, where fountains, seating areas, and cultural hubs bring people together. Every detail, from the design of a chair to the flow of traffic, is engineered to create serenity, abundance, and beauty. At the heart of the city, colossal transport hubs connect every district. Futuristic stations integrate seamlessly into skyscrapers, with transparent walkways guiding passengers to their destinations. Vehicles dock silently, schedules displayed through holographic signage. The experience is effortless, no waiting, no stress. Only smooth transitions from one part of the city to another. Connectivity is the lifeblood of this metropolis, ensuring that every person, every product, and every idea flows freely. As the drone rises above the skyline, the full vision of the city unfolds. Towers stretch into the horizon, aerial highways crisscross the sky, and vehicles glide like rivers of light. This is not a fantasy. It is the natural evolution of human ambition, a luxurious city built on sustainability, elegance, and innovation. Humanity has mastered the art of living. The city is
Attention
no longer
all
just a
passengers.
place. It is
The
an
express
experience,
train to
a
Sector
promise,
Gamma is
and
now
a
arriving
glimpse
on
into the
track 4.
extraordinary future
Have a
of
seamless
life
journey.
itself.
High above our blue planet, where Earth's pull gets weak and space is silent, people have done something amazing. We built a city in space,
This
not to leave
artifact
Earth behind,
utilizes
but to
quantum
help it,
stabilization,
to make our future
allowing
bigger.
it to
This
levitate
is real
indefinitely
now.
while
This is our
purifying
next
the air
beginning.
in a
We needed
10-meter
to do
radius.
this. As Earth got more crowded, we looked up for answers, not to run away, but to find new ways to live. Space gives us perfect balance. Endless sun for power, factories that don't pollute, a new way to see our world. The city floats near Earth, held gently in place. Special elevators and shuttles connect it to the ground every day. It spins to make gravity like home, so people can walk and live normally. But in the middle you can float, a place for play, discovery, and quiet thought. The city itself is smart. It changes and helps the people inside. And it always watches over Earth. It sends down information to fix the weather, grow food better, and protect our planet. Life here is peaceful. No honking cars, only quiet travel. Houses that adjust to make you comfortable. Jobs are about sharing ideas and creating new things together. At the center of the city, there's a special hall for memories. Here, stories from Earth are kept safe. You can float among them, learning from the past while building the future. Smart machines run the city, but people are always in charge. We make the big choices. This place is about taking care, not taking over. From here, Earth looks different. You don't see countries. You see one home, beautiful and small. And that's what this city reminds us. The future isn't a faraway place. It's something we build by choosing to be kind, by choosing to help our planet and to help each other. Music ends softly.
And its fundamental law is motion. Look up. The sky is a multi-layered
Beyond the city
circulatory
skyline,
system.
orbital
Sleek
docking
aero
bays
shuttles
welcome
trace data
fleets of
highways.
AI-designed
Agile
luxury
hover cycles
spaceships,
dart through the
shimmering like
capillaries. Every movement is a calculated point in a symphony conducted by the city's mind. There is no traffic here, only perfect
Course
flow.
correction complete.
A ballet of
We are
efficiency,
clear for
where the
final
morning
approach.
sun transforms a
Confirmed,
commuter
Captain.
pod
Holding
into a
pattern
shooting
established.
star.
Please ensure this arrives on Deimos by 1600 hours.
Acknowledged. Priority shipment confirmed, madam.